Well, I'm back. Okay. Right. So we go. Okay. All right. It's 8:39 a.m. All right. Good morning, everyone. This a bit impromptu, but as usual, I always love coming here on a surprise to share a little pro trading tips with you. So today, I want to share with you the three easy ways to spot or to identify key zones in the financial market. Uh, this this will work for forex trading, crypto trading, stocks trading, indices, whatever kind of financial market or assets you are trading, it's going to work. So if you can hear me loud and clear, I want you to comment below loud and clear. If you can hear me loud and clear, comment below loud and clear. So I'm going to I don't have much time to spend here because I'm actually still working on the videos and the slides for the entries and exit pizza course. It's a course dedicated for just entries, trading entries and exits. I'm going to be sharing my entire frameworks, how I generate my signals, how I think, and how I approach different market conditions to trade. So that is actually taking my time for the past 2 weeks now. It's not easy. Sometimes I record a video, and after listening to it I feel like no, it's not up to what I need, and I take it down to do it again. So it's been work over here for me. So let me go right in. Three easy ways to spot key turning zones in the market. So the very first one is using the Fibonacci confluence strategy. Now the Fibonacci confluence strategy is actually easy. It's just by you using the Fibonacci retracement tool. Like you apply plenty of it on the chart. Like you can actually use this on the trending market. It works better on the trending market. Don't use it on a ranging market. If the market is ranging from one price zone to another, please don't use the Fibonacci confluence strategy. Right. So you can use the Fibonacci confluence strategy to spot key turning points in the market. It's very perfecto. It's very unique, and it's good. I really use this though because I'm a kind of a lazy trader, so it needs more work. So that is why I don't use it more often. But if you want to learn more about this, then there is a dedicated training video inside the Pro Traders course. Yeah, it's a video about 20 minutes long. 20 minutes long. So if you should block out 20 minutes, you can go through it. So it's inside the Pro Traders course. If you want to access that video, then you need to enroll for the Pro Traders course. Now the second way you can easily spot key turning zone is using trend lines. Now you have heard of trend lines, you know how to plot trend lines, but it is very obvious that 80 to 90% of retail traders plot trend lines the wrong way. They go about plotting trend lines all over the chart. They go to daily time frame, plot trend lines, go to 4-hour, plot trend lines. No, you don't plot trend lines all over the place. You only plot your trend lines on a relevant trading time frame. So if the weekly is not a relevant trading time frame for you, there is no need of you stressing yourself trying to identify the trend there, or trying to identify those key turning points, those zones there. So you don't plot your trend lines all over the place. Okay, only plot trend lines on a relevant time frame. All right, I believe you are following me, and if you are following me, comment below this video, I'm following you. Comment below this video, I'm following you. And the third and the last way to identify key turning zone is using pivots. Okay, this is my favorite way of identifying key turning zones in the market. I don't know, it's maybe because I'm a lazy trader. I don't like stressing myself, so I use pivots to identify key turning point. You can set your pivot depending on your trading personality. You can use the daily pivot, the weekly pivot, or the monthly pivot. It all depends on your trading personality. So you can use pivot. I love using pivot. In fact, to be honest, pivot is the reasons why I don't have support and resistance lines on my chart again. So I just turn on my chart and I apply my pivot, boom, I have my key turning zones, you know. So and it's been working perfectly well for me when I use pivot. So these are the three easy ways to spot key turning zones in the market. One, use the Fibonacci confluence strategy. Two, you can use trend lines. Then three, you can use pivot. Now about the Fibonacci confluence strategy, if you want to learn more about how to apply this, how to use this on your chart, okay, so you can actually enroll for the Pro Traders course. The link to the Pro Traders course is on the first comment below this video, so click on it and enroll. I believe I've made a lot of sense to you with this short video, and if you have learned a thing or two from it, then share this video, share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to trading groups, you know. Let's all get the little knowledge I share here. All right, today it's Thursday, so I wish you more pips. I wish you more pips today. All right, bye.